Hello, viewers. Get ready to be mesmerized by our stunning collection of Begumpuri cotton saris ranging from affordable luxury to premium quality. From rupees 100 to 4500, we have all covered in this video. Let's start. This is our affordable elegant saris. Price ranges rupees 800 to 1100. This is our budget friendly options. These saris are perfect for official purposes, but that is not all. We have a vast collection beyond what is shown here. There is no work in the body part because it is a plain sari and it is colors. We have more, but we will not show in this one video as the video length will be too lengthy. This is the hand weaving sari. This is pure handloom. We have every sari we have shown the handloom mark. Handloom mark is a sign that we sell only pure handloom, pure Begumpuri sari. This is the color of the previous sari which we have shown you previously. This is our premium favorites. Price range is 1200 to 1550. We have our best selling designs. This is because it is one of the famous designs in West Bengal for their exceptional quality and hand weaving work. Without blouse, these saris are ideal for official purposes. Can you guess why our customers love this? Because the customers know that we sell only pure handloom, pure Begumpuri saris, and they know we don't compromise on our quality. If you want to know the exact price, please let us know in WhatsApp. You can see the work is so good, the color combinations are so good. This is one of the best sellers of ours. It is one of our masterpieces in our collection. The quality, when you will see, is very good. We are showing the handloom marks because it is a sign that we only sell pure handloom, pure Begumpuri saris. You can see there is all over booty work in this sari, and these saris do not come in blouses, so we do not have any blouse pieces. Price range is same. Now our exquisite premiums, price ranging 1600 to 2100. Experience the epitome of elegance with our premium quality saris featuring intricate all over booty work, and what sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to our quality products. When you will see, when you will feel, when you will touch the saris, you can feel the quality, the premium quality of the product. Then you can understand, because it is a video, so you will not be able to touch the sari, but when you will see the sari offline, then you can see the quality of the sari is very good. You can feel it at once only when you will touch it. This is all over sari work. Official teachers can wear this. These saris are perfect for official purposes. If you want to know the exact price, please let us know in WhatsApp. This is the one of the masterpieces in our collection. This is one of the best sellers because the customers love this quality product and the all over stripe work. We are showing handloom marks because handloom mark is a sign that we sell only pure handloom, pure Begumpuri sari products. This is the achal. The wholesalers and the resellers or bulk order can contact us on WhatsApp so that we can show you more collections. Can also video call us. We can also have video call sessions via WhatsApp, via Google Meet. This type of sarees are in high demand for customers who are teachers, doctors, leaders. They wear this type of sarees for their official events. Now, as a bonus segment, we are showing exclusive handloom collections as a special treat. This is mercerized cotton. Price range is 2100 to 2500. It is weightless, premium quality, and we have unique designs in it. We are showing this type of sarees as a sample so that customers can know that we are also having this type of sarees in our collection. Now, second is Khadi handloom sari. Price range is 1550 to 1700. It is a sign of timeless elegance and craftsmanship. It is having hand woven work, hand booty work in it. You can see the booty work in it. And this is handloom jute sari. Price range is 3250 to 4500. It is a rare find blending tradition with model style. Customers love this type of jute saris because of their quality, of their premiumness that we have in our products. This is the handloom sign so that you can know that it is a pure jute sari. It is not having any mixture in it. Thank you viewers for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.